Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So if you haven't heard about this device, I'll start off by giving a brief summary of what this little device is capable of doing. For one, it can record video in 4K at up to 60 frames per second. However, there is a slow motion mode in which you can record video in 4K at 120 frames per second for that dramatic slow motion effect, as well as in 1080p at 240 frames per second. It's a stabilized gimbal. I'm not sure if you saw when I powered it on there, but essentially this mechanical mechanism is designed to essentially allow this camera to get stable and smooth looking footage so that you don't see those jitters when you're recording whatever you're working on. Next, it has a built-in transceiver. That's right, transceiver, receiver, I always get that part wrong, but essentially I can pair the microphone to the DJI Osmo Pocket, and therefore I could set this up on a tripod or something, and I could be moving around, but I would still be maintaining my audio because it's wireless, which is pretty nifty that they built that in by default. What I thought made this device really cool is the fact that it can record video in D-Log. And I believe the older Pocket 2 could do that as well, but this records in 10-bit. Essentially, that allows this device to capture more details in color accuracy and allows you more flexibility when you're editing the images that are captured or video that's captured in your editing software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro. DJI also has a custom LUT available on their downloads website that makes transferring the color that you see when shooting in their 10-bit color profile like D-Log or HLG, that converts it automatically to the Rec 709 color space in Adobe Premiere. Not only that, but you also have advanced controls over things like your ISO, shutter speed, white balance, as well as your exposure, which is pretty nice. However, I did found that the auto exposure that comes from this device by default is pretty good. This device is also capable of face tracking. That means if you set it down and you highlight what you want it to focus on, you can essentially move and it will capture your audio. Not audio, but it will capture your movement. That's pretty sick. And I did find that to be a bit accurate in terms of, it just moving around with you. You're also able to utilize this device as a webcam. Via this USB-C connection that's on the bottom of it, you can essentially plug this into your computer and it will get recognized as a webcam input. Not only that, but you can utilize that port that's at the bottom of it to transfer over your files. So anything that you record on here utilizing that SD card that you insert on there, you will be able to directly transfer that to your computer utilizing that charging cable port, that USB-C port at the bottom there. And lastly, this thing has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you can pair this directly with the DJI Mimo app that you can install on your phone that will allow you to get a bigger screen to monitor what you're recording, as well as to take advantage of some of the advanced features that are baked into the DJI Mimo app, allowing you to automatically select what you would like the camera to focus on and just play around. It's pretty cool and intuitive. So I'll dive into the different kits. DJI currently sells this in two different kits. You have the standard kit, and then you have the creator combo kit. In the creator kit, you pretty much just get the essentials: the device, a case, the wrist cable, and the charger, as well as a adapter to be able to mount this DJI Osmo to a tripod screw or 3/4 screw to use in many different scenarios. So in addition to the standard kit, you can purchase the creator kit, which is about, I want to say $100, $120 more than the standard kit. The standard kit is $519 and the creator combo kit is $669. So because I got the creator combo and all of the accessories that would come in the standard kit are in this one, I'll be able to show you what all comes in the box. First things first, of course, you're gonna have your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is nice. But what's so cool about this kit is it comes with a case. It's cool. It's a leather case, and what makes it even better is inside the case, it's actually split up with a built-in divider. So you can easily store your stuff without just jamming all of your accessories into a bag and not sure which is where. It's just less to fumble around with when you're taking it with you on the go. Next, in this bundle, you get a wireless microphone that automatically pairs with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, similar to the one that I'm recording the audio from this video on. It's pretty decent. I could move around and I would still maintain the audio that's coming from this microphone. You also get a wide angle lens that is used to be able to increase your field of view. If you're doing a selfie mode, well, you can get more in the shot, and I found that to be a pretty nice touch, that wasn't something that you had to purchase outside of the unit itself, and that was included in the creator combo, so that was pretty cool. You also get 2 tripod adapters. One essentially just allows you the ability to attach the DJI Osmo to a tripod, and it doesn't do anything other than that. It still allows you to transfer data via USB-C, but that's about it. The other one, it does the same feature, but it's a bit longer, and the reason is it comes with an extended battery module. So it can essentially charge the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 100% before it dies, and then the DJI would just be running off of its own battery. But what's cool is you could always have that plugged into a charger and, you know, get that continuous battery saving benefits just because it's plugged into another resource. You also get a desk stand. So this essentially can plug into either one of those tripod adapters, allowing you to easily mount this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to your desk. And you also get a charging cable to charge all of the accessories that come in this device. They all utilize pretty much a USB-C port for charging, so one cable does the job for all. And lastly, you get a wristband in case you want to have that extra security for when you're out filming and reduce the chance of dropping it while you're out and on the go. So we've covered everything that comes in the box. What will I be doing with this device? Will I be keeping it? I don't know. I need more time to figure out and utilize it to get a better sense of how I can implement this into my workflows. I have too many devices at the moment, so I do need to figure out what I will be keeping, what I will be getting rid of. Since I still have about a week left on my return policy, I'll continue testing out and utilizing the capabilities of this little Osmo Pocket 3, make a better determination of whether or not this will be a good fit for my particular use cases. If you're at all interested in checking out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, there will be a link in the description. Full disclaimer, if you do purchase using the link, a portion of what you spend goes to the channel at no cost to you, and that does help keep this channel alive so that I can keep pushing out more helpful tech reviews for you guys. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.